Okay, by looking at the shape of the teeth of animals, we can determine whether they are carnivorous, which means they eat meat only, or are they herbivorous, eat plants only, or are they both? So if you notice, carnivorous is the most easy to detect because they have sharp teeth, which are called this incisors. They are located at the front, like the Dracula teeth, right? Or the jaguar got this very front teeth which is very sharp, okay, at the front of the mouth. They are used for biting or holding on to the prey. And further in, they have canine. Canine, they are long, sharp teeth next to the incisors and are used to kill the prey. And for herbivores, they have no incisors in upper jaw. Instead, they have this, the flat teeth, like to grind the things, to grind the plants or the grain. And for omnivores, they have both. They have incisors to cut the food, and then they have molars. Molars are the flat one. Like your wisdom tooth in your mouth, right? The wisdom to the flat one, to grinding. So by looking at the teeth pattern, we can determine the type of diet the animal is having. So let me extract one previous worksheet to show you this example. Okay, this is what I mean. By looking at the patterns of teeth, right? You can see in this question, the following diagram shows jawbone belonging to 5 animals. So now they ask you which 2 animals have a similar diet. So we know that you can choose carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore. So similar diet means you must choose both the same. Either is a carnivore, a herbivore, or omnivore. So by using your observation skill, you will be able to see these 2 animals, right? They have all the sharp teeth. So these are the incisors at the front. Okay, the incisors. And these are the canine teeth. Okay, this one almost everything canine. This one, yeah, plus the front though. So the obvious answer is number 1, option 1. Okay, if you look at the other one, there's an animal C, right? They have all the blunt one, right? You can see all the flat one. So this is confirmed. This is a herbivore. Okay, and then this one is sharp, right? This one is a bit flat. So quite likely animal D is an omnivore. And similarly for this also omnivore. This one a bit sharp, and these are flat one. So this is how we classify. So animal A and B, they are carnivore. Animal C is herbivore. Animal D and E is omnivore. But you notice here the choices, right? There's no D and E, right? Correct? So the obvious answer is A and B. Okay, so we come back to the notes here. By observing this, we can determine the type of diet the animal is having. Okay, so today I will focus on the next section, which are plants can be divided into land and water plants, and the various adaptations which we'll do in the next recording.